Welcome to Share It Math. Today I am solving this crazy math problem without using calculator. So let's find out the solution. So I have an equation where cube root 99, 10, 26, 97, 3 term is equal to find out their solution in easy term of way. So as we saw 26,973. If I am taking 27,000 minus 27, that is equal to 26,973. Now I replace this term. The equation will be 99, 10, 27,000 minus 27, that is cube root. So if, as I said that if I separate have this term separate out, and this term and this term and this term separate out, so equation will be 99 00 and n2 3 4 5 0 plus this term separate out 10 into 1 2 3 4 5 20 plus 27,000 to find out an easy way. If I was said that cube root here 99 into 10 the power, that is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 power, plus 10 have 1 2 3 4 5 6 power, plus 27 into 10 have 3 power 1 2 3 0 mean 3 power. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 0 means 7 power. Here 1 have 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 power 3 power. So that is minus, and n term is minus 27. So if I have wrote that 99 is, I wrote 100 minus 1 is 99 into 10 raised power 7 plus 10 raised power 6 plus 27 into 10 raised power 3 minus 27. So as I am wrote that 100 is 10 raised to power 2, I multiply it here into 10 raised power 7 minus 1 into 10 is 10 raised power 7 plus 10 raised power 6 plus 27 into 10 raised power 3 minus 27, 10 raised power 7 cube root here. So if bases are same, then power will be added. Now added power 2 plus 7 minus 10 raised power 7 plus 10 raised power 6 plus 3 into 3 into 3s are 27. So 3 power 3 is 27 into 10 raised power 3 minus 3 power 3, that is equals to square root of 3. 10 raised power 2 plus 7 is 9 minus 10 raised power is minus 10 raised power. If I'm separate out 6 into 1 is 10 7 sorry 6 and 1 is 7, 10 raised power 7 plus 10 raised power 6 power, plus if I'm wrote 3 power 2 plus 1 into 10 raised power 3 minus 3 to power 3, that if I have 10 raised power 9 minus, if I have these two terms both sides means common, I'm taking 10 raised power 6 common here, so result is 10 minus minus common mean inside term is sign change, plus goes minus 1 and plus 3 square into 1, 3 plus 1 power, means separate out their power, minus 3 to power 3. Now if I have cube root 10 to the power of 3, 10 to power 9, means 3 into 3 is 9, minus 10 to power 6 is 3 into 2 is 6, and remainder is 10 minus 1 is 9, plus 3 square into 3 into 10 raised power 3 minus 3 to power 3. So now cube root. Now I am, this term goes whole power 3 minus 10 raised power 3 whole power square. 9 is 3 into 3 is 9, plus 3 into, I am take this term 3 into 10 raised power 3 and 3 square here minus 3 to power 3. So I wrote that cube root 10 raised power 3 whole power 3 minus here minus 3 10 raised to power 3, these 3 here 10 raised power 3 square into 3 remainder 3 plus 3 into 10 raised to power 3 into 3 power 2 minus 3 to the power 3. So now I simplify their solution. Now let 10 raised power 3 is equals to m and 3 is equals to n. Now replace 10 raised power 3 is m and 3 is n. So this means that our equation is 10 raised power 3 is m cube minus 3 into m square into m is this man 3 is going n, plus I take 3 and this term is m and this term is n square, this term is n square minus this term is n to the power of cube. So now as we saw, we don't write 3 and this 3 is equals to n, because a major reason that is a formula where a cube minus 3a square plus 3ab square minus b cube, that is exactly the same values, that is equals to a minus b whole cube formula. So now I wrote that m minus n, that is a minus b, so that is a whole cube and cube root. So cube root and cube is cancelled out. This means that our answer is m minus n. So now m minus n. So now I'm recall what m is equals to 10 raised power 3 and n is equals to 3. This means that 10 raised power 3 m here minus n here is 3 is equals to 10 raised power 3 means 1000 minus 3, that is equals to 997. That is the final answer of our desired solution. Question is 9, 99, 10, 26, 9, 73 cube root. Thanks for watching. Keep like, share and subscribe.